this is Dashakam 92 Narayanyam, Bhakti Karma and Jnana. How to get Bhakti through Karma Yoga. So, Vedai Sarvani Karmani Aphala Parataya Varnitani Dibudva Tani Tvayarpitanye Vahi Samanucharan Yani Naishkarmyamisha मावोद्वेदैर्निषिद्धे कुहचिदपि मनः कर्म वाचां प्रवृत्तिः दुर्वर्जं चेदवाप्तं तदपि खलु भवत्यर्पये चित्प्रकाशे. Bhagavan transferred the Vedam from his heart to Brahmaji. This is how Bhagavatam first shloka starts itself. So Brahmaji is the Veda Swarupan. Bhagavan gave direct knowledge, all from the hearing. There was not a book and all. There was no book. It was only a heart-to-heart transfer to Brahmaji by Narayana. And then Brahmaji is the Veda Swarupa. After that, our Bhagavan himself incarnated as Vyasacharya. And then this huge book of Vedas was divided into 4 branches called Yajurveda, Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Atharvana Veda. And then again it was split to small portions. And then Vyasacharya taught to Shishyas and Shishyas and Shishyas and Shishyas. And even now there is so many institutions in India run by saints who are trying to keep the Vedic Dharma alive and progressing well. So many children in our Guruji Ashram are in Veda Pathashala. So many Veda Pathashala our Gurunagar is running along with other saints in South India. So that is Vedam is top foundation for us for everything. That Vedam will, right from the time the sun is gone and for the Upanayana, 5 years or 7 years, the Upanayana is performed. Then the Mantra Upadesha, Brahma Upadesha is given by Gurunagar. And from that time, the child is supposed to do the 3 Vela Sandhya Vandana and all those ritual for the child and then for everything entering as the Brahmacharyam and the Grihastha and the progressing, there is Vedam in every step in our Sanatana Dharma. So, under Vedathila, to do all the work to survive in the world and please the gods, in turn the gods will give us what we need and we mutually please each other and run our lives. But the end is not to attain heaven, get all the punya and then go and reside in heaven. That is not the goal. Naishkarmyamisha. What is the end? Do all the Veda and then after that eventually it goes for Bhagavat Preeti, for the welfare of the world. Why are they all doing that? Not the priests who don't want to go to Dubai and settle down and buy big house or cars. Then what's the use? That's not why Veda was created. The priests were given that priestly duty. The Veda is their wealth, and the Veda is protecting the world. It's our first fundamental dharma for us, the Veda. So the Vedam end is not to attain heavenly pleasure. The Karmakanda portion, although will give many rituals to perform and make life happy, but however the end is the Vedanta, the Upanishad, which will that Brahman, I should attain. So the purpose of the Veda to finally go to Naishkarmyamisha. Now where we are, oh my God, Guruvayappa, even by mistake, by my mind or my word or my action, may I never ever do something that is forbidden in the Vedas. Bhattadri is shivering and telling, Bhattadri, ultimate Vedantin, full knowledge, Anushtanam, and daily following the karma as per his birth. Nambudri clan has to observe everything top. They are top, even sometimes higher than Brahmin Julva, the Nambudri clan. That Nambudri clan is Bhattadri, so he is observing everything, the rituals, and so he is telling By mistake, may I not do anything that is forbidden in the Vedas. So, that is the respect our religion has for Vedam. Now, the forbidden Veda, what is happening now is people do as they please. And so, in America, I gave an example yesterday how this uh, mixed marriages are happening, and the priests are doing Vedic ceremony. Priest that did that ritual is not going to benefit. The father who did spend money and did this wedding will not benefit. The child for whose sake this wedding was done will not benefit. The audience who watched all this wedding will not benefit. On the other hand, it will bring contrary result. That is why better stick to Nama Sankirtanam. Idhila contrary result kadayadu. There is no punishment for saying the wrong way. You say Vithal, 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 Vithal. Yesterday some person, don't know if he's saying mockingly or jokingly or out of ignorance, he's telling, is it Vithal or Vital? अरे दोनों ठीक है बोलो. Vitthal is vital only. Go. Right? So, if you say, Govinda, Govinda, we'll say, the village people Govinda, Govinda, they don't know we, Govinda. Take it, go ahead, nothing will happen. Guru Arpan will take it. But on the other hand, with the Veda, if you do ulta, wrong action, negative result comes. So Bhattadri is telling Guru Arpa, please save me. So, அதனால இப்போ the wedding, any house ceremony you want, you call some Nama Bhagavatas and do Nama Prachara. You sing Nama Kirtana, good. Otherwise, this mixed up ulta sulta, don't bother, nobody will get result. Okay? So, Mabhud Vedai Nishiddhe Kukachidabi मनःकर्म वाचां प्रवृत्तिः दुर्वर्जं चेदवाप्तं तदपि खलु भवत्यर्पये चित्प्रकाशे. Nice name, right? चित्प्रकाशे यस्त्वन्यः कर्मयोगः तव भजनमयस्तत्र चाभीष्टमूर्तिं हृद्यां सत्त्वैकरूपां दृशति हृदि मृदि क्वापि वा भावयित्वा पुष्पैर्गन्धैर्निवेद्यैरपि विरचितैः शक्तिदो भक्तिपूदैः नित्यं वर्यां सपर्यां दददै विभो त्वत्प्रसादं भजेयम्. So we'll take a form of Bhagavan Guruvayurappan, the Sattvic Bhagavan. The Sattvic deity, when we worship, we get Sattvic quality. I'll tell one instance where Shishi Anna, he is telling whichever form we worship, the gunas of that deity also come to the Bhakta, right? So Bhakta, they type Aidva. So our Shishi Anna is Vedic proponent of Vedic Dharma, Sanatana Dharma with Bhakti Margam, Bhakti. So he will, he was, going sometimes, he will give different topics, even though the topic is Bhagavatam. He's brought some other religion into the mix to tell how our religion is so glorious, Sanatana Dharma. So he's telling, one time he was, the health became little deteriorated, and so he was admitted to Chennai hospital in Chennai. And in that hospital room, they saw Bhagavan, their Bhagavan, and he's standing like this. That Bhagavan, who is being tied to the cross. Will anyone do like this in any religion? How they did like this to their God? Please, he called the hospital people. Please don't keep this picture in front of me. Can you put a picture where the mother of that God is holding that child? Can you change the picture from this one to that one? So Mary holding Jesus, that picture they put good. Thank you, he said. So if we worship that way, then kya hamara hoga, right? So You have to worship Bhagavan, who is Sattvic Rupa, who is so smiling and pleasant Bhagavan, who is Chit Prakashi, the shining light of Chitta, that Bhagavan. So, how to worship him? Chabhishtamurtim, my Ishta Devata, Chishta, my favorite Bhagavan, Hridyam Satvaiga Rupam, Drishadi Hridi Maradi. So, if some people got Guru Arpan picture I posted, no? Shining Guru Arpan. The moment you put him, just like alive picture. Like a picture you can put, or you can put in a vigraha, you can put in a clay Bhagavan, like that. We want the external image to do puja. We want to see form, right? If you say everything is Allah, I don't know any form, doesn't work for us. We want to see Bhagavan because we described his eyes, his eyes, lotus lips, lotus feet, right? So you make a picture of any of the Drishadi Hridi Mridi, stone a picture or other Hridayatla Padikya to get. I'm not there yet. But if we can do the Manasa Puja, then Bhagavan is in the Manas and you're doing all the puja in the Manas. Other next level, I'm not there. I don't know how to say. So, in the stone or in the clay or in the picture, you make Guru Arpan and then you light the lamp and then we offer Pushpa and Dhupa, Deepa and small Nevidyam. This type of worship may be devoted to this type of worship every day. But other is telling, Drishadi Haridi Maridi, Papi va bhavayitva, Pushpai Gandhai Nividhyai Vidachidai, Shakti do Bhakti Budai, Nityam Vadyam Sapanyam, Vidadadai Vibo, Vidadat, Ai Vibho, Vidadat, let me do. Ai Vibho, Tatprasadam Bhajeyam. By doing your worship daily, sitting in front of Guru Arpan, looking at him, chanting one Narayanyam. Grace very quickly. Dadadai Vibho, Tatprasadam Bhajeyam. Then, more and more important lesson will come like this suddenly. Stri Shudraha त्वत्कथादि श्रवणविरहिताः आसदां ते दयार्हाः त्वत्पादासन्नयादान् द्विजकुलजनुषो हन्त शोचाम्यशान्तान् प्रीत्यर्थं ते यजन्तो बहुकथितमपि त्वम् अनाकर्णयन्तो दृप्ता विद्याभिजात्यैः किमुन विदददे तादृशं मा कृतमाम्. This, we are not there. We are in more and more big Kali Yuga has developing. We are in good place actually. When my grandparents' time and all, my grandma parents would say ladies don't read Vishnu Sahasranama and all. And then some people will say don't read Bhagavatam. These are Rishi Grantham and all. Not right, not now. Not now. After Sri Sri Anna Mahans came, Bhagavatam given to ladies freely. So the ladies are having more bhakti. So this one was for those times, Sri Shudra Apo. In those times, the women were stuck to the house cooking. Shudra had to labor. So the Brahmins only had the privilege to chant the Veda and teach all these things. They were supposed to be the teacher clan, right? So they are having all knowledge. They are having the brain, the knowledge, the Brahmins. The Kshatriyas are doing the seva of protecting the like the government work and the police, etc. That's a Kshatriya dharma. Brahmana dharma is Vedam, the knowledge, the jnana. Brahman means jnana. So the Brahmin have all the learning. The ladies have to serve the family members, the husband, the father, etc. So the ladies don't come out for bhakti, but not now, right? So those ladies, the Shudras, who are having no opportunity to come and hear Katha, I have pity for them. Bhattadara is telling, Asadam te dayarha, they are indeed to be pitied, right? However, Tvatpadasannayadan Dvijakula Janusho, but the Brahmana who are having the privilege to always dwell on Brahma Vicharam, they on the other hand became arrogant because of this privilege they have. They became arrogant because of their learning, because of their high birth. If the mind switched to that way, then Brahmanhood is not good. That is not what the Brahmana is supposed to be like. He has to be humble and teacher to all, but also humility and with grace, right? So if the teaching, if the learning and the birth only gave the Brahmana arrogance, then somewhere gadbad happened. So such Brahmana are not good for us. So Bhattadri is telling, if I see them, I feel very, pity. I feel angry. Prithyartham te yajandu. They do all the yaga yagna to please the yajaman and get money and all that. That is not the purpose for the Brahmins. On the other hand, the Chandala or the women who have the mind and heart and speech devoted to Bhagavan, they are even better than these Brahmins. So, Pratyartham te yajandu bahukadidamavi tvamanakarnayandu dripta vidyabhijatyaihi. Their pride for Vidya and high birth. Guruvayurappa, please don't make me like one of those Brahmins. Kimona vidadade tadrasham kridhama. That is another, evil coming out. Kumbh Mela only, no Muslim allowed, only Brahmin. As a sub everywhere, if you see Bedham, there is a problem. You shouldn't see Bhedam. We are Brahmin, we will do our work perfectly, okay? Nobody is going to question us. However, if another type of person come, we also welcome them and respect them and put them in their place. We don't go and fall over them and go to their house. We just do respectfully whatever we have to do. For example, for our Tukaram Maharaj is the leader in the Varakari Sampradayala, Gurunadar, his Gurunadar from Maharashtra, very well known, Baba Maharaj Satkar. He made our Anna the Adhikari for Vishwa Varakari Samsthan, Tukaram Maharaj. So he is the leading that Varakari Sampradaya. That position is called Adhikari. For him, a Muslim leader is coming to meet him last year. So our Maharaj, he welcomes the Muslim leader. Then he is giving him, I got 3 tirth, I went to Hajj, and he is the tirth for you. Our Maharaj took the tirth and also purified himself with it. And then the person is giving a book of story about Muhammad, from the Quran, some page he's giving. Maharaj says, thank you. I will keep in my library. And he put. Then Maharaj came. He brought copy of the Bhagavad Gita and he gave to the Muslim. He says, nahi, haram lagega. Muslim didn't take. For us, all are universal love. Universal love. That doesn't mean I'm going to leave my dharma and live like that now. But I have universal love. So this is why we are, wherever we are born, we execute our duty fully, perfectly. But however, we do not judge the other person and we do not compromise. But we do not judge and divide. Bhedam pata danger. However, without compromising our own culture. Right? Next. Papoyam Krishna Rametyabilavadi Nijam Guhi Duscharikram Nirlajjasyasya Vasha Bahutara Kathaniyani Me Vignitani Brata Me Vandhyashilo Bhajadi Kila Sada Vishnumitham Budhamste Nindantyuchai Hasanti Tvai Nihitamadin Tadrisham Makrathama. If there is a family member who is making fun of us as we are doing bhajan. Don't make me like them, Guru Krishna, he says. पापोऽयं कृष्णारामेत्यभिलभति निजं गोहितुं दुश्चरित्रं निर्लज्जस्यास्य वाचा बहुतर कथनीयानि मे. I had to discuss many important statements, but this fellow, he is only covering his misconduct and chanting Ramanama. Chalega. Even if a bad person, Papi, is chanting Rama, Guruvatpan will take him. But if the person who is good but arrogant and not say Rama, Guruvatpan will stay far away. He will close his eyes. So, that person is telling, because of this brother keeping on doing bhajan, I don't have time to discuss important things. Please, Krishna, please don't put me in that family. Bhattadri is telling, Tadrisham ma krithama. Purpose correct now. You are coming to the Ekadasham. Understand the purpose. This is why I am telling every class. The purpose has to be clear, attaining jnanam. There is no compromise for that. So whatever we do every day, is it taking me there? Good, check mark. Otherwise, garbad. So this Bhattacharya is telling, don't make me like those people. I don't want to be friends with such people. I don't want to be courteous with such people. I don't know those people. That's it. Next, Shvedachayam Kriditvam मुनिवरवपुषं प्रीणयन्ते तपोभिः त्रेतायां शुश्रुवाद्यङ्कितमरुणतनुं यज्ञरूपं यजन्ते सेवन्ते तन्त्रमार्गैः विलसदरिगदं द्वापरे श्यामलाङ्गं नीलं सङ्कीर्तनाद्यैरिह कलिसमये मानुषास्त्वां भजन्ते. Kalisamai. Everything we are reading most relevant for us. It is Narayaniam is not a book to learn one class over bye and just take once a month. No, it is daily work. Narayaniam. So what is it telling? Shvedachayam kridetvam kritayuga munivadavapusham prinayande tapobihi Treta Yuga. Sruksurvadyamkitam arunatanum yajnarupam yajante sevante chandramargai vilasadari gadam dwapare yugam श्यामलांगम नीलम संकीर्तनाद्यै इह कलिसमये मानुषास्त्वां भजन्ते. Rupam, that Naranarayana Avatara like that. Naranarayana Avatara, white Bhagavan, full of tapas. The body is radiating tapas in every room tapas. So the people at that time will do tapas to propitiate Bhagavan. Treta Yugatila, Tretayam Sruksuvadyankitam. Yajna Yagam Panava, Treta Yugatila. They will do the ladle offering and say Swaha Swaha, right? That is in Treta Yuga. Sevande Tandramargai, this is the puja worship as per Agama Shastra in the Dwapara Yuga. Like the Shankaracharya Math has established all the puja, Agama Shastra Praharam, the daily puja happening in Guruvayur. The priest will do all that, the Bhakta will go to take darshan only. So the puja vidhi all came from Dwapara Yuga. In every house we cannot do all that. What do you and I, what are we doing? This one. Kirtanadhyahi, Sankirtanadhyahi. This is Narayaniam. This is the path. For Kali Yuga, this is it. Narayaniam, Bhagavatam, Parayanam. The Parayanam is also called Sangeetam. If you want to celebrate a birthday for son or husband, call Narayaniam people, call Nama people, or do Bhagavad Parayana, or do Radha Kalyana. This is what is going to get benefit. Not doing the Sudarshana Homa priest is chanting everything. But you know it is America. So all the pure effect will not come. Where Yaga, Yajna, Karma is only Karma Bhumi is Bharata Desha. Inge ulla Karma alla Devas are coming and taking, I don't know. We don't know that, right? Karma Bhumi is Bharata Desha. Inge For the culture to remain alive, people are doing, that's all. But we want real connection and bhava bhakti to Bhagavan. We do Nama Sankirtanam, hear Katha of Bhagavan. The Katha Kirtan is the marga for Kali Yuga, which is where our Guru Arpan has put us. How beautiful Bhagavan is blessing. Right? Neelam Sankirtana Dhyaidiha Kali Samaye Manushastvam भजन्ते सोऽयं कालेय कालो जयति मुररिभो यत्र सङ्कीर्तनाद्यैः निर्यत्नैरेव मार्गैः अखिलद न चिरात् अखिलद त्वत्प्रसादं भजेयं without delay. Your prasadam is coming for us. अखिलदन चिरात् त्वत्प्रसादं भजेयं जातास्त्रेता कृतादौ. People born in other yuga wish to be born in Kali Yuga. They are so blessed. Jada streta kridadau apihi kila kalau sambhavam amayande. How blessed we are. Daiva tatraiva jata. We are born here, Krishna. Vishaya Visharasayma Vibho Vanchayasman. I do Parayana. Time in Emila. I'm only doing traveling here and there with Nama, right? So when the sloka I'm reading, it's like, wow, it gives me like juice, ras. So, Daiva Tatraiva Jatan, Vishaya Visharasayma Vibho Vanchayasman. With those and forget the real thing why I am born. Very important. So, we already saw people in other yugas. It was very hard to attain Bhagavan those days because everything was already, it was like nice place, right? Ipo it is very easy because the opposite enjoyment is so much to just prevail over them. It is very easy for us. If we prevail over them, the path is easy for us. So even though the bad things are too much, which is what next sloka is. So the path became very easy. Bhagavan made himself so sulaban for us. Krishna tapasu, dhyanam, puja, nothing we can do but Krishna. Saying the name itself is Krishna. Appadi solliyach. Nama and Nami are not separate. Ajamila one time only is Narayana. It came from the heart and then Bhagavan blessed. Oru tadava kupta puram. Only once you say. That much benefit it was not given in any other yuga. So this Kali Yuga is great. So we must have asked, Guru Ayappa, please give me chance in Kali Yuga, then I will attain easily. That's why we are here. Do not miss this birth. This is it. I will not be in class after a few months. Don't forget me. Please keep Narayanyam and this shloka in your mind always. Right? Next. Bhakta stavat kalau syuhu Dramila bhuvidado bhurishastatra chochaihi कावेरीं ताम्रपर्णीं अनुकिल कृतमालां च पुण्यां प्रतीचीम् आमामप्येतदन्तर्भवमपि च विभो किञ्चित् अञ्जत्रसं त्वयि आशापाशै निबध्य भ्रमयन भगवन् पूरय त्वन्निषेवा. Thus will be more in Dravida Desha. Are you from Dravida Desha? I am. So all the people more bhakta will be in South India. Ramila Bhuvinda Bhurisha, all of them, where the Kaveri river is flowing, Tamraparni Nadi is flowing, Kridamalam Chapunyam Pradichim. Such beautiful rivers are there in India. Holy bath in any one of them is purifying us. We went to Mahakumbh, now what to say? Right? Bhagyam, Aho Bhagyam. So, this much Punya Tirtha of Bharata Desha is. So, I am people who more people Bhakta will be how the Bhakti started in Bhagavad Mahatmyam from the Dravida Desham. It started in the Alvar Bhakti, Nayanmar's Bhakti, and all the Bhakta what is done it spread to Maharashtra, then it spread to Gujarat, then it spread to Vrindavana, Kashi, and entire East Coast like that. It's given in Bhagavad Mahatmyam. So in Vrindavanam, north la the bhakti, right? North people always have just bhakti. South la little bit of achara gadbad hota hai. But north is north only. So the bhakti, full India is like bhakti movement. So Bhattadri is telling, I am fortunate to be born in this area of Tamaraparni river. Or Bharatapura, Kerala, Poranda, and then Bhattadri is telling, I also appear to have little bhakti to you. Kinjit Anjad Rasam Tvai. I seem to have little bhakti to you, Krishna. Please don't delude me again by making me forget. And then Asha Pashay Nibadya. Very important. Asha Pashatla Onna Marakapad waste. So this test Vanda, this we have to keep on doing Nama, and it gives strength to face our Prarabdha. Whatever Prarabdha brings, we have to face it and prevail over it, and Nama is doing that for us. So, but we should not be getting confused and drop our Swadharmam and first Dharmam, Bhagavata Dharmam, Guruvayappan. Without compromising Bhagavata Dharmam, take care of the Swadharmam. Take care of the family work, but no compromise on Bhagavata Dharmam. Then it will come to harmony eventually. Right? So, there is do not fall prey and victim to Asha, Pasha, Nibadya. Amikyapadadu. Brahmana, let your delusion. Do not have confusion. Brahmayana Bhagavan, Udaya Tvannisheva. My devotion should be complete. Guruvayappa, today I am putting application. Please hear me. Like this you have to say. Please make my devotion complete. Right? Next. Drishtva dharmadruham tam kalimavakaruणं प्राङ् महीक्षित् परीक्षित् अन्धुं व्याकृष्टखड्गोऽपि न विनिहतवान् सारवेदी गुणांशान् त्वत्सेवाध्याशु सिद्धेन् असदिह न तथा त्वत्परे चैषभीरुः यत्तु प्रागेव रोगादिभिरपहरदे तत्रः शिक्षयैनम् द्रुहं तं. We are in Kali Yuga. Every Yuga will have a Asura also, you know. Bhagavan is incarnating because there was Asura called Hiranyaksha, Asura called Hiranyakashipu, Asura called Shishupala, right? We have Asura in Kali Yuga, who Kali Purusha. And so he is acting on the other side for us. He is the evil. Kappa Karunam. He has no mercy at all. He is against Dharma. He is that is Dharma Druha. He is the enemy of Dharma. He is merciless. He will create difficulty in our life. He will enter into our family and cause quarrels. He will enter into people's chitta and contaminate and make them only against each other. The same person will be two and make enemies inside, one good, one bad inside. This is Kali, very bad. So, but for Kali Yuga, that is why we have more mental cases and all now. Kali Yuga, Kali Purusha is doing his thing. How to beat him? What is our weapon? Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. It's called the Nama Anthem. Our Gurunath written first word. Kaliyayum bali kollum tuli niyamamumillada kirtanam paadire kirtanam paadire Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Kaliyayum bali kollum. Kaliyayum means, it's very powerful word. Even Kali is very hard to beat. He's not going to die now. He is going to be there till end of the world, end of Kali Yuga, and then Jagannath Bhagavan is going to come and they are going to have a fight. We are all stuck right now. We don't have any avatara right now, but we have Nama. That is our weapon. Kali Purusha very prevalent everywhere. He's ready. The moment you become little, lose the vigilance, you become lighter. How alcohol came in the house, gadbad ho gaya. All the padartha, where is Kali? Alcohol, gambling, meat, gold, violence. In this all, Kali Purusha is operating. So any of these product come, slowly quarrel inside comes. And then division of opinion come. And then he is one. Kali will prevail if you allow him. No, not allow. Parikshit did not allow. He drew his sword. How dare you come into my kingdom? I'm going to kill you right now. Then what happened? He bhiru, dar gaya. He fell into the feet of Parikshit, said, "Forgive me, Maharaj." Why? Tatpare jaisha bhiruhu. He's afraid of bhaktas. कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता कलयुग. He is afraid of us. So we got to say, guys, what work you do have? Go chant Nama. And then say Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare. He cannot do anything. This Nama will prevail over Kali, Yum Balikulum. Even over Kali. No other, see, Sudarshana Homa will not help. Because we didn't get our mind over there. The priest chanted mantra, we gave dakshina, everybody ate food, we left. It didn't really go in, no, nahi hoga. It will not help Kali Yuga. It will not help with beating Kali Purusha. Any other, all those really just casual temple function, it will not beat Kali Yuga, Kali Purusha. Kali Purusha beat Panna Hare Rama, only Nama. Only Nama will beat Kali Purusha. That is why you have no choice. You have no choice. So, Tvatsevadhyashu siddhir asadihana tada tvatpare. So this Nama will give immediate result. Asadihana tada. It will, but the other method, like the tapas, yaga, dhyana, yajna, will not give result like this. Kali Yugatla, Kali Purusha ki enna ardhani adipa. If a person is afraid of a particular weapon, only that you will use. If he's already conquered other weapons, you cannot, that won't work for him. What weapon is going to work for that person you have to use, no? Kali Purusha Namana weapon. So here Kali is afraid of us, Tvatpare Jai Shabiru, therefore you don't get afraid of him. He is afraid of us. So Yatto Prageva Roga, but what is Kali doing? He created quarrel in the family. He created health problem. That is why. So many people health problem, no? Kali is playing there. He is enjoying. Therefore, health problem also is very happening. Adakam we have Narayanyam. Ayurarogya Saukhyam. Prasad, everyday Prasad Guru have been giving. What is the Prasad of Narayanyam? Bhagavatam will say Moksha. Haripadam, etc. Narayanyam, Ayu, Arogya, Saukhyam. Madam Leah, you want to know? That is Narayanyam. So that is why we want health, Narayanyam. Moksha attain panna health venume, so Narayanyam. Therefore, do not be afraid of Kali because Nama will only prevail over Kali. Tvatpare chaishabiruho yatto prageva rogadipirapahadade. Roga, healthy, vechukanamna, healthy eating, etc. and also Naranyam. Rogadipirapaharade tatraha shikshayanam. Krishna, you please punish this Kali. See how much is havoc he is wreaking on us. He is getting all of us, premature age disease vartran. எங்களெல்லாம் மனசு கல்மஷப்படுத்துறான் நீ அவனை அடிக்கணும். You have to vanquish him. Bhattadri is telling. Now, another one very beautiful, that 8 ways of worship. Ganga, Gita, Gayatra Bija, Tulasiga, Gopika, Chandanam Tade. Salagramabipuja, Parapurusha, Tadai Gadashi, Namavarnaha, Edanyashtaprayatnanyai Kalisamaye, Tatprasada Pravridhya, Kshipram, Mukti Pradani, Tabida Durshaya, Teshuma, Sajjayitaha. Granthas, Gayatri Mantra. Then Tulasi Mala. A Vaishnava should always wear Tulasi Mala, Tukaram Maharaj said yesterday. Tulasi Mala, all Vaishnavas should always wear because we don't know when the prana will leave the body. The Tulasi should be touching us. Tulasi Mala should be touching our body always because we don't know when the prana will leave, Maharaj said yesterday. So We don't have to take it out for bathroom, etc. It's continuously we wear. Well, Tulasi Mala, all Vaishnavani is said yesterday. So Tulasika, then Tulasi Chadi Puja, then Gopi Chandan. We put the Gopi Chandanam is so pavitram, and then Salagrama Puja. Many families do. Parapurusha, He Guruvayurappa, these are the 8, and Ekadashi Vratha. Ekadashi ki Vratha and also Nama Sankirtana. These are the 8 ways. Ashtapyatnani Kali Samaye. These are the 8 things that will help in Kali Yuga. Tat Prasada Pravriddhya, abundant grace. Guruvayurappan does not know give small. Why are we here? My God, how he is blessed. Right? Abundant தான் அவருக்கு தெரியும். ஏன்னா அவர் abundant. He gave a small story yesterday. Tukaram Maharaj, I'll tell only one small story. Many instances are there in the life. One time he saw a lady walking in the hot sun and going to bring. Where are you going in the hot sun, Pa? He's asking Tukaram, son Tukaram. She's putting some cloth on the head, hot sun. I have to buy some oil for my cooking. There's no oil in the house. Why you are going? Why don't you send some family? May anath ho. I have nobody. I have to only do my thing. So I have to go and get little bit oil. So Tukaram Maharaj says, it's okay, don't worry. I'll do it for you today. So he took the money. He went to the store. He bought the oil and he gave to the lady and came back. After 1 month, the lady came back. Maharaj, 1 month that oil was supposed to be over. It's still there. It's not getting over at all. Even though I am using every day, the oil is not getting over, Maharaj. You are great. And she does pranam to him. Next morning, tomorrow, all the ladies have come with their buckets to Tukaram Maharaj. Please, you also go get oil for our. Tukaram Maharaj telling Panduranga, Are Panduranga, why are you making me famous? I am happy here singing to you. I want to do bhakti to you alone, and I don't want to make it, Shoshabaji. Why do you tell everyone, don't do this, Guruvayurappa is telling. So, abundance. He does not know small. Kya socha Guruvayurappan? He's Shri. Shri is clinging to his chest. That is Guruvayurappan. So, Tat Prasada Pravriddhya. Kshipram Mukti Pradani. We want to give mukti to everyone liberally. Kshipram Mukti Pradani Tabidadu Rishayaha. The Rishis have said these 8 methods. For us, everything as pramanam. Yeshoma Sajjayita, may I have bhakti to all these. I studied this shloka from childhood without knowing full meaning. I'm here. I only read. I did not know meaning at the time. So, just read Narayanam, it gives good samskaram. Next, Deva Rishina Pitrinam Apina Punarini Kingaro Vasa Bhuman Yosau Sarvatmana Tvam Sharanamupagadaha Sarvakrityani Hitva Tasyotpannam Vikarmapyagilam Avanudasyeva Chittastitastvam Tanme Papottatapan Pavanapurapade Rundi Bhaktim Praniya Pitra Rini. We are having Rin to these 3. Deva Rishina Pitrinam Apina Puna Rini. We have Rin. We are all born with debt. Right? What is the debt for the Devatas? We have to do yaga, yajna and do puja to please Devatas now and then. That is why Indra Puja was being done in Gokulam. Remember? Indra Yaga. People do puja, etc. for Devas. Then Rishi ki Vande, we have to study Vedas and propagate Vedas. That is also our Rin. And then Pitrikal. We have to do, beget progeny. We have to do the karma for the Pitrikal. That is also our Rin. To beget progeny and keep family going. That is also our debt. If we did not get daughter married, father did not do that, he is going to hell. Nahi hota hai. It cannot work. Father's duty is to get daughter married. Right? The father's duty is to get children married and so that the generation keeps going like this. Otherwise, we have not done good job. So we are born with these rings. Now, if the person has already like a Tukaram Maharaj, he is the servant of the universe. He is in a different state. For him, these rin and all don't apply. For the jnani, they are living for the whole universe. So, na punarini kinkaro vasa bhuman. They have become servant of Guru Ayappan. They are doing seva all over the universe. They are actually absolved from these karma, but these Maharaj will still do their Shraddha karma. They will not compromise. They will do their Pitrakar, everything they will do. All the Maharajas who are doing Nama Prachar, they are already friends of the universe. They are beyond these things, but they still do it. So, for them, otherwise the rin we have to fill. Otherwise, we have left something incomplete. We have to be reborn again to complete our work. So, Yosau Sarvatmana Atvam Sharanam Upagadaha, the one who has taken wholehearted surrender to Guru Ayappan, then Bhagavan will take care of us. He will take care of our action, karma, and take us to the higher gati by his grace. Yosau Sarvatmana Atvam Sharanam Upagadaha Sarvakrityani Hitva Tasyotpannam Vikarmapyagilam. By mistake, if that person even gets papam, Guru Ayappan will destroy it and take care of him. So that is for the bhakta. There is no forcefully abandoning action. Nobody said that. You got to do your daily anushtanam swadharmam. There's no shortcut for nama. Nama is only additional. You got to do all your swadharmam correctly by keeping nama, etc. Jana say, I don't have to do my shraddha, I'm doing nama. Appadi sollale. You do your ritual correctly, but keep nama in the background. So the nama will protect us. Even if there was mistake in the ritual somewhere, the nama will protect us. Therefore, Bhagavan Chitta Sthithastvam. Irkare, Guru Ayappan is here, no? Chitta, always here. So he's always going to protect us. Tanme tapapottatapan. By mistake, any papam is done, he takes care, he poshikidur. He will burn our sin. There's nothing to be fear. We are not sinners. We could not be here if we are sinners. Don't bother about past sins. Oh, yeah, done. You're here, you're chanting Narayana, where is sin? Sin to flow far away. Don't bother about sins. It's only going up from now on. That's all. So, Tanme Papottatapan Pavanapurapade Rundi. The papas from before caused me suffering. I'm not suffering, I'm good. Good, Guru Ayappa. Everything you give, I will deal with it with a smile. I'm good. Say like that, everything will be smooth only. Right? Abhi Mahakumbh snan karke aaya na, I'm good. I'm not worried, right? Something change has happened. Everybody who went would have felt that. Some change has happened, I don't know. Others are not speaking, but I am the one always chit chat. So you know, there was a change. So you're going to say, I am not a sinner. I'm only going up from here. And I'm not going to hold back. I'm going to say it as it is. If you don't like me, so sorry. Thank you, bye. Right? That is what. So, tanme papottatapan pavanapurapade rundi bhaktim praniya bhakti. Please give me bhakti to your Guru Ayappa. This is why I'm trying hard. Bhakti is the most precious. Thank you all. I took little